Hi besties! So for our video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Delunas Farm Picnic and Camping Ground sa Barangay Mamala, Sariaya, Quezon. So ito yung kanilang A-house with kitchen and bath, toilet and bath. So minimum siya ng couple and then maximum siya ng 6 person. Napaka ganda, and when you wanted to be in one with nature, ito na yung hinahanap nyo. Sobrang affordable. Mamaya papakita din natin yung price list niya. Depende kung ilan yung guest. Meron din siyang ilang kitchen utensils and syempre comfortable yung kanilang toilet. So, in terms of amenities, meron silang maliit na pool and then meron silang swing, but make sure na magdala kayo ng jacket kasi sobrang lamig sa taas. Parang you're not in Quezon anymore at ibang lugar na yung pinuntahan mo. This is the sunrise view. May inclusion na complimentary breakfast yung stay, but then nag-offer din sila ng pagluluto. Make sure na dala nyo na lahat kasi mahirap bumalik. And this is their breakfast selection: ube champorado, tocino, and tapa. Meron na rin silang price range ng day tour and then yung mga A-house as well as kung ilang packs. Medyo mahirap silang kontakin, so make sure na nakabook kayo before you go at medyo malayo. That would be all. Tata!